In front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, launch Messages app and select or create a chat. Now, whatever you decided, when you're ready to take a photo and add it, or select one already on your device, click on this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a photo, use camera section of your screen. And after you will snap it, it will be automatically attached, so you can just send it. If you want to add already existing photos, hold this line here and drag it up. Then tap on all of your photos you want to add. And when you're done, hit done at the bottom right corner. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!